says right. So information on the right one. So I'm using the Sonex 217 long socket. And for the engine mount bracket, it's a 14mm, and again, I'm using a Sonex tool long 14mm ones. So the OEM mounts have kind of like this shape right here. If you look, they both do. There, see, they have kind of that shape on them. So it's not flat. So it looks like you can use the OEM engine mount. That's how it would go in. So all you need to do is bring it all the way to the top like I had to do, and then they screw on. I'm actually using the OEM bolt or nut, the one that was provided on the kit. Apparently the pitch is off a little bit, so that didn't work on the OEM ones. I'm not sure if it will work on the aftermarket ones, but it has to sit in that position. The bolts on the BMW spot, they go right there. So let me show you. My garage heater is about to kick in, so you may hear that running in the background. But if you look here, it just goes right there. This one is kind of beat up a little bit from me taking the N54 out, but it goes right there. And then the other one goes over there.